Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video, and today we'll be cooking up some Jiffy Pops. But before we do that, we know as us Mexicans, we always need our Valentina, our lemon, and some salt. So first, let's open this up. So when we're done opening it, we're gonna have to turn on the stove to medium, and we're gonna have to shake it a little. So let's start shaking it right now for a little, and let it cook. So once it's done, the kernels start popping, and we're gonna have to shake it, and then this silver thing pops up. So the popcorn hits it while it's going up, and when it's done, we're gonna be putting our ingredients into this. Well, we're gonna put our popcorn into this bucket, blue bucket, and we'll be chillaxing, watching, some movies, like The Nun, The Slender Man, whatever kind of Mexican movies we think of. So you guys can hear that noise. So start shaking it for a bit. Let the steam come out. Let it pop up like everything does. Knows. So while it's doing that, we can see, ooh, there's some popcorn that start popping early. There's gonna be, you gotta hear it. You guys see like the heat coming out, like little holes. Put it on low, turn off. And while you hear it, it's popping up slowly. We're gonna shake it a little bit. So once it's done, you'll see, you guys have seen this silver thing like popping up. Because of the popcorn, it's making its way go up. So, okay, let's just wait for the popcorn to come out, See how it's blowing up? That's the popcorn popping up. Kind of looks like one of those bags you have to put on your head when you go take a shower. For sure, if you guys can't see that hole, there's a hole right there. That's where all the air is coming out. Now we're done. So let's open this baby up. So now let's shake this thing off. If we can. Never touch it when it's hot, but let's pop it with this knife with mine. You can see that cooked up well popcorn. So I wouldn't touch the foil because it just came out from a hot mass. So let's shake all this popcorn out. got some good. Well, if you guys can see, there's some popcorn hanging up. So hang on that thing as well as you can. And there's none. Now you see we're done making our popcorn. Now we just gotta add our ingredients. That's the good thing about Mexicans. Valentina. First we're gonna add our Valentina. So then we're gonna add our lemon right here. Okay. And that's how you eat popcorn.